You may or may not know that the petrodollar is based off petroleum. Now, when we consider what's going on as far as the raising of the gas prices and how gas prices seem to be going up overall on average, we also have the war in Iran. Now, according to blocking the Strait of Hormuz, is affecting our gas. Now, what I want you to do is set aside not only the gas for a second, we'll come back to that, but we're going to focus on petroleum, the petrodollar. This is what gives our US dollars value. And just to be honest, a lot of people will demonize plastic as it's an environmental issue. Well, not really at all. It actually helps with the environment, and actually, the littering is what causes the environmental issues. But as you can see with these pictures I'm leaving up on the screen, everything from food preservation using the plastic wrapping helps the food to last longer, helps the food to stay fresh from bottles holding liquids, beverages, water, cleaning supplies, data cables. Every kind of data cable you can think of has plastic shielding. And as a matter of fact, we couldn't get internet across the world without plastic shielding on wires. And I touched on that a little bit talking about Walter Lincoln Hawkins, and you can check out that link above. But essentially, what I want to talk about is the importance of petroleum. And if the cost of petroleum goes up, well, every container, every cell phone, laptop, television that uses any form of plastic will obviously go up as well. Now, not only will the actual plastic products go up in price, but also how to deliver it. We use gas most parts. We use form of fossil fuels, diesel. We use these fuels on heavy equipment. So, unfortunately, the most powerful equipment that we have uses petroleum, and there have been some electric interventions and manufacturing of solar, and I'm a strong advocate of solar. I use solar, and I think it's a great thing, but it also still takes fossil fuels, unfortunately, to manufacture solar panels and to mine the materials and metals it needs to manufacture solar panels. But essentially, this topic and what I want you guys to drop in the comment section is, did you even realize that raising the cost of petroleum would not only affect the gas prices, the cost of plastic, and also the cost of food as it costs more to deliver it? What do you guys think about that? What are some ways do you think we can find alternative ways to use our products without petroleum, or maybe without using as much gas? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.